on, everybody? Hope everyone's having a good day today. Mike here with another protein powder recipe. Today we're going to be making white chocolate macadamia nut protein balls, and it's simple 6-ingredient recipe. It's going to be a real quick video. It's going to be a real quick no-bake recipe for you to make. Great for late night snacks, for pre-workout snacks, you name it, they're great for it. I'm ready if you are. Let's get in the kitchen and make us some protein hacks.
Hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn deal, I'ma get lazy.
Super easy to make, guys. I mean, I just put them in the fridge, let them chill a little bit. You don't necessarily have to do that, but if you want them to get really clumped together and not break apart as much, they really won't. But the best bet is, just putting them in the fridge. Really delicious, man. These things are great. If you like white chocolate macadamia, you can really make them however you want. That's just what I was kind of craving when I was at the store today. And I've been meaning to make some protein balls because they're super simple. Not everyone wants to get in the kitchen and bake, especially right now in the summertime. And it's real easy to make these. No cooking involved at all. Hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. Now let's jump into a quick macro breakdown. Alright, no comparison here today because these are just protein balls. Not really anything to compare them with, honestly. These things are going to be great for late night snack because they're high in fat. So as you know, fats are going to be your fuel when your body isn't running off carbs. So mainly if you're fasting, like during the nighttime while you're asleep, it's going to be a great way to help your body continue to build muscle while you're sleeping. And any other time when you're going to be not eating a lot of carbs, these are healthy fats. They're not, it's like it has probably 4 grams of saturated fat compared to 18.4 in total. You got a lot of mono and polyunsaturated fats, which are going to be good for your heart. And I'm not too worried about it. They're still great snacks. I used all natural peanut butter in here. It's really about the ingredients you use. And these are going to be a great dessert option, and they're really delicious. So that's what you're looking for. You want something with a lot of protein, something you're going to be able to like. That way you skip out on those other snacks that are going to be lower in protein, higher in nasty carbs, and what have you. So let's jump straight into this macro breakdown. So we're looking at 284 calories. That is a little high, but at the same time, this thing is gonna fuel you. That's why I'm gonna be finishing this video off actually on our hiking trip tomorrow. I'm gonna take these with me, do a little test, wrap up the video. That way you guys can see how I kind of utilize these. They're great for meal prep and great for on the go or for hikes, stuff like that. They're gonna give you a lot of energy and help you fuel yourself for all the calories you're gonna be burning. Next on the list, we have fat. We're looking at 18.4 grams. And like I was saying before, these are real healthy fats. Obviously, we have the peanut butter. Nut butters are really good fats. The nuts, same thing. There's nothing really, the only kind of sugary thing we have in here is the white chocolate morsels. That's about it. So next, we're gonna be moving on to carbs. 16.3 grams of carbs. It's not too bad. It's not really high. It's not too low. It's a good amount. Good fuel as well. And then we're gonna move on to sugars. It's 6.6 grams. That's basically gonna be the white chocolate morsels. Obviously, if you're looking to, stay a little bit away from that, you can always replace that with sugar-free chocolate or just take that out altogether. Up to you. I like them. I don't mind that 6.6 grams, so it worked out for me. And finally, protein. We have about 14 grams of protein in here. A lot of protein powder in this. It's basically what it's made out of besides of the oats. You might not even need the oats if you want to just try it without it. Do all protein powder. It'll save you a little bit of carbs, but honestly, the oatmeal is, it's a really good energy source. I like to have oats anyway. Again, up to you. You can use whatever protein powder you like in this recipe. I used Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey French Vanilla Cream flavor. You can use whatever you'd like. I just felt like this one, just based off of me using that protein powder in my shakes, I really like the flavor and I thought it would go well with this, and it really did. Use whatever vanilla protein you'd like. Plant-based, grass-fed, whey, isolate, it's up to you. This is a non-bake food, so it's not going to really affect it in any kind of way at all. As in, when you bake something, it could get a little chewy if you're using an isolate that doesn't really have anything in it besides protein, which kind of gives it that chewy texture if you don't add more fats on the side. But this is no bake at all, so you can throw in whatever you'd like, and it should work out fine. So that's going to wrap it up for the macro breakdown, guys. I'm really stoked about how this came out. Hope you guys are too, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, we're going to be wrapping up this video in the mountains tomorrow. We'll catch you then. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Just got back into town from camping. It was great. Those protein balls really came in handy. They were awesome. When you're out there hiking, you can't just go eat anything you want. We had a lot of snacks, but those protein balls really hit the spot, especially after a lot of hiking and getting stuff done. Hope you guys really enjoyed those. I'm going to be featuring an ice cream recipe the same way. You can use your protein powder to make some delicious ice cream, and it's going to give you all the protein you need to build muscle. So look forward to that, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about the video, and let me know if there's anything else you guys are looking for in particular, and I'd be glad to get back to you with it and possibly make a video. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. That way you can be informed whenever there's a new protein hack out, as well as giving me some love with that like. I'd really appreciate it, guys. Thanks again for checking out the video, and I'll catch you on the next protein hacks.